Hi guys, Bruce here. Well, this was the Kohler that it was a basket case last year, and I put it together for my neighbor. And it's back. He says it's hard to start. He mentioned something about having to put something in here to jam it so the choke would come on, but I think it's an automatic choke. I don't think he quite understands the operation. But let's just have a look here. Well, we're not bad. I've seen worse, right? But it may be just clogged with oil. Oh yeah, there's quite a bit there. So I'm just going to try and blow some more of this crap out of here. It's got a half a choke. But I don't think this has anything to do with the choke. No. I don't think it's going to start. Let's throw a little bit of go juice in there. And we'll yank it and see if it comes to life. It's got a little bit of oil in it. It's a big tank. 8 glurps. Okay, let's see what it does. I don't have a lot of hope. Okay, that's enough. It's a heavy engine. This choke's wide open. We got to work on the choke. We can use this. This is my right angle shooter, but it'll work. That should make it bark. Arf, arf. Step 1 goes round and round. So now we're going to just check out that choke. And yes, I have my blue coat back on. They were in for repair and laundry. Alright, let's get this top off of here and see if the automatic choke is stuck or dirty. 10mm. There was a cover on here, but remember, this was a basket case. If you guys don't know what a basket case is, the whole lawnmower came in a box, and then he had to drive back to the farm where he got it and find the rest of the parts. So, yeah. There's the gas. One más. There's 2. And they are super secret. I don't know where I got that term from. Way back in the days of the troglodytes, when I was young, we used to laugh, and one guy would keep a secret over another. 8mm, 1/4 inch drive. There we go. Isn't that a beautiful thing? I'm just not a fan of the engine, that's all. But you know, they are strong engines. They've proven me wrong a few times. Okay. Okay, let's take the cover off. want to. There should be one more, yes. On a cold air or an air suction, crankcase suction thing. Okay, now let's just see why this choke is not behaving. There's the choke, right? It's just stiff. Oh, that's cool. So you guys know what I like to use now. I get criticized for this, but hey, what the heck? Carb cleaner. Air. Close your eyes. And it's disconnected. Now is it, well, it's moving now. So I'm going to get some fine oil. But why is that so flimsily? Oh, I see. Yes. Let's just take 2 bolts with a couple of washers. I'll be right back. Don't go away. You guys might remember my little washer, or my little tiny washer box. So we just have to find 2 washers that will spread the weight out on the gasket. That's 2. It's perfect. It doesn't fit. Okay, there's 1. Lord grant me patience, but hurry. There must be something on the cover holding that on. So that this right here, okay, I'll show you what my problem is. Maybe it's not a problem. Right now this just pops off of here like that, right? But maybe there's something on the air filter cover assembly. Use your words, Bruce. Air filter cover assembly. You know what? I don't mind working on basket cases. It's very rewarding when you take a pile of parts grabbed from the farm and figure out how they go back together again. Okay, it did it, but it took a long time. And it's sticky still, eh? This other thing pulls it back too, eh? This other Gumby Hooser here. I don't know what that does. Alright. So originally, can you see this pretty good? Oh, just a little bit off, eh? Originally I had this clamped into, this bar is clamped, it's screwed down to here, okay? Like, well, just a minute. There. We gotta go down, there we go. And I had this, it was just sitting on there like that, and poked into there like that, and it was just, if we can do it, it was just falling off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed this up from underneath, if I can. Yes. Anyway, this was backwards. And then this goes into here like this. Right? And then this screws back down like that. And now, the way these are positioned, this can't come undone. Like when you're building something for the first time, you'd use this for lawnmower for a year, so I bet you the plug's black. Ooh. There we go. Now we just have to wiggle this post around to see if this actually holds, right? Okay. Arr. Now that just might make more sense. That's her. That's a simple solution. So now I'm going to just zoom in on that a little bit more. Or no, we're going to zoom out and go in and have a close look. Excuse me. Because when I got this, everything, like I said, was in a box. So now this can't, when this pushes back, it can't come out. Oh, maybe it can. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I have to work on that a little bit. Hope I got it. Okay, I figured it out. I was trying to hook, I was trying to hook this side of the lever into that hole, and you have to go kind of through and around and then hook it into the top Z-bend afterward. And you undo this screw and that screw back there. Now this would come assembled for you, right? But somebody took the carburetor off and all of these pieces weren't aligned. So now we should be able to activate our choke when it's cold and deactivate our choke when it's hot by both having vacuum from the carburetor and heat twisting from the bimetal strip right there. That's hot. So now I'm going to start it up again and see if we got it, guys. I'm trying not to run stuff too much with my coat on, but okay, we should be there. We're tight. Nothing's loose. That is really, really cool. I just have one more thing to check. Yeah, comes in through the back and up and down, right? I found a parts diagram, huh? Okay, I'm going to just fire this bad boy up. Ooh, you guys are drooping and all kinds of things, man. Okay, so we're going to get you zoomed in on that choke maybe, eh? Good. Can you see the little door? Can we zoom in some more? Yes, we can. That's it. That's all I got for you. Choke is not quite closed. I'm going to use my refrigerant on that. Good. It should open on its own now. Clamp. Hemostat. Pencil. Well, the only way to really tell is to go overnight, hey? So let's just get you back out.